On the table sits the latest LEGO Creator 3-in-1 set, a compact box filled with parts that all share one mission: to become cars. Not just one car, but three distinct machines, each with its own attitude, its own personality, and its own style of motion. From the moment you open the box, you feel the promise of transformation. An entire garage of possibilities waiting to be assembled piece by piece. You start with the main build, the signature car of the set. Maybe it's a low-slung sports car with sharp angles and a nose that looks like it wants to cut through the wind. As the bricks start clicking together, you can see the aerodynamic shape emerging. The smooth hood, the sculpted sides, the neatly built taillights. The designers hide clever details everywhere. Air intakes made from unexpected pieces, a spoiler that looks perfect even though it's built from simple bricks, or a cabin shaped with just the right tilt. When you attach the final wheels and roll the car across the table, it has that Lego smoothness, that quiet hum that makes it feel like it could race off for real. Then comes the transformation. You dismantle the sports car, stack the pieces neatly, and start building the second vehicle, a muscular street racer. This one has a completely different silhouette. Maybe a chunkier front bumper, wide rear arches, or a hood scoop that gives it a bit of attitude. Even though you're using the same pile of bricks, the model suddenly feels heavier, more aggressive, more grounded. The headlights shift shape, the exhaust moves, the entire stance changes. It's a reminder of how flexible LEGO design can be, how the same elements can create an entirely new automotive identity with just a few reconfigured details. Finally, you go for the third build, usually the most compact but often the most imaginative. Maybe it's a nimble roadster with a minimalist frame, or a small turbo hatchback with playful proportions. The build is lighter, quicker, almost joyful. Without the weight of the main model's complexity, this little car shows off smart tricks. Angled slopes to create a rounded front, tiny taillight clusters that pack in color, or a roof that clips on with surprising elegance. It's the fun-size expression of the set, full personality in a smaller footprint. And what makes this 3-in-1 kit special is the feeling you get after finishing all three builds. The sense that you've just explored the possibility of design in miniature. From sleek speed to raw power to compact agility, the set captures the essence of car culture in brick form. And when you look at the leftover parts in the instructions, there's always the temptation to try a fourth build, your own custom take, mixing the features you liked from each version. In the end, the LEGO Creator 3-in-1 car set is more than three models. It's a tiny workshop, a test track, and a design studio all in one box. A place where every rebuild becomes a new drive, and every car has its own story waiting to be rolled across the table.